They didn't tell me that in the rest of the story. I only know the punchline. So you see what I'm making here is a ring. In order to make a ring, I have to weld the ends together so that they join. So it's for this reason that blacksmiths traditionally were allowed to marry people, because they were the ones making rings. And when you weld something, you take two things and it becomes one thing. It joins together. Alrighty. I'm assuming you want the cold version, not the hot version? No, good choice. Good choice. Alright. Perfect. Alrighty. There you go. We're going to file in a bit. So what I'm doing now is actually called whitesmithing. So you call somebody a blacksmith because they use black metal, right? Well, when you make something polished, which I'm doing my filing, that's called whitesmithing. And it makes a horrible screeching noise, doesn't it? Well, imagine if that was your job all day long. And someday you guys are going to have to file stuff. And when you do, there's a right way to do filing and a wrong way to do filing. So going back and forth is the wrong way. So what you want to do is only go this way, because it only cuts in one direction. That's the way the file works, right? If you come back, you're just dulling the blade. So you always want to push outward. And in medieval Italy, they had a whole street where they had nothing but guys doing this 12 hours a day. Scrape, 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 scrape. Alrighty, there you are, sir.
Tell them you want it to be gold.
You want it to be gold? Alright, we'll see what we can do. Alright, where are we here? Do you believe me that I'm going to make it gold? Yeah? Who wouldn't trust this face? So Sir Isaac Newton was the greatest scientist of all time. And he tried to turn stuff into gold. But he never figured out how to do it. Now I figured out how to do it.
How?
How? Well, you think I'm going to tell you the secret of turning stuff into gold?
Yeah?
All right.
Where's gold up?
Sure.
Daddy, where's my gold?
Oh, first you drop that on the ground. All right. So I have something that Sir Isaac Newton didn't have. I have a dollar store brass brush. What we're going to do is we're going to make the top part gold, leave the bottom part steel. That way you can prove to people that I turned steel into gold. Because I'll tell you, if you got a ring made out of gold, that's worth a lot of money. But if you got a ring that somebody turned from steel into gold, that's worth a lot more money. Would I lie to you? Who wouldn't trust this face? All right. You want the hot version or the cold version? Still the cold version? Yeah. Okay. And the neat part is that goes from 1,000 degrees to room temperature, just like that.
That's it.
Well, there you go. You want to see?
Nice.
Oh,
Isn't that cool?
can you make oh, cool.
So it's half steel, half gold.
Can you make mine gold, please?
Sure.